afternoon. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So today we're going to be taking care of stuff. I do have some packages arriving today. I'm very excited. I'm very excited about my mic arm that is arriving because I'm a big geek. Right now, my microphone is on like the cheapest boom arm I got off of Amazon in 2020. Like, this thing's done the job, right? But it's like, it's cheap. Like, let's just call it how it is, okay? She's cheap. I got this shock mount for my Elgato wave mic, and I'm very excited to use it, but I mean, why have like a nice mic and a nice shock mount and like a really cheap, terrible arm? So we're getting a nice Elgato boom arm today that I've been waiting to get for months. I just finally just pulled the trigger on it, so very excited for that to arrive today. And so I've got to prepare for the Christmas tree. So I think we have been discussing places for the Christmas tree, and we have decided this corner. Oh, by the way, our fireplace is broken now. So I opened it to like get the model number, and I must have pushed something, and now the fireplace does not light. So I've contacted somebody who fixes fireplaces, and they haven't gotten back to me, which is awesome. So yay. I don't know, I might try to fix it again today, but maybe also I'll control this cord situation or fix this up a little bit so it doesn't look as ridiculous. I might move some stuff over here. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I gotta get the tree out of the basement. So this is your housework motivation vlog. If you're looking to get motivated to do some housework, we're gonna do housework today. We're gonna vacuum, we're gonna mop, and we're gonna do some organization chores. So let's do this. That's not a bed for you. That's the Christmas tree bed. So as you can see, only a few of the lights turned on. I've had this problem before that some of the lights are out and some of the lights are working. Some of the lights came on as I like continued to touch it, so I feel like there's a short somewhere. These lights, I don't know, this tree's kind of old, so the bottom lights didn't come on at all. So I'm gonna continue to mess around with it and see if I can jostle it to work. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks kind of weird. So we'll keep trying. Okay, it's been a few hours and I've been like trying to figure out what to do with this tree because it's only partially lit, and here are my options. I could buy separate lights. I have Christmas lights and string them on the tree. However, we still have Christmas lights on the tree, and they're so intertwined in all of these branches, and they have clips on all of them, that to take all of the lights off of this particular tree, I don't know if in fact it is worth it to me. So it may be time to replace this tree with a different one that's pre-lit. I mean, seriously, I could spend like just like 3 hours just stringing all the lights off of this tree and replace them with new ones and string them all up. But I don't know if that's really how I want to spend my time this year, right? Right, Clover? So I think maybe tomorrow we can grab a new tree from Michael's, which is where we got this tree. I think it was like $100 in, man, when did we get this tree? 2017? All right, hey guys, Editing K here. Before you say anything, we ended up taking the lights off the tree and buying new lights. We saved the tree. So before you write a hate comment or anything like that, just know that we did in fact de-light the tree. It took hours, but we did it. My husband did the first level and I did the other top levels, and we have a bunch of new lights, and we're gonna celebrate at least in one more year with the tree. So the tree has been spared. There. Okay, that's it. In the meantime, I'm gonna make some lamb chili today. This looks a little better now. I was like planning to decorate a little bit, but I moved some stuff down from this row to this row, so just everything's a little more compact, and I did as much cord control as I could today with like this little kit here. It doesn't look the best, but it looks a little bit better than it was looking before. I should just like color those cords a different color so that I can, you know, so that they don't show as much, but looks better than it was. And my wave mic arm came today, so I think I'm going to just set this up after I start the chili. Okay, quick tip. If you don't eat bacon a lot, but you like bacon like me, a good thing to do is to freeze the bacon, but roll it first before you freeze it and then put it in like a stasher bag. My husband rolled these so they're not as tight as they usually are, but you can roll them on a tray and then put them in the freezer for 30 minutes and then put them in a bag so they don't get freezer burned. So that is a good quick tip for you. And by the way, stasher bags, if you don't know, I know if you're watching this channel, you probably know. I highly recommend these. These are awesome. They're silicone bags. They're good alternatives to Ziploc bags because they are reusable, washable, and made of silicone. So they're not made of plastic. And you can bake, well, you can not bake, but you can put them in the microwave. You can put them, you can boil it, so you can like sous vide things in here. You can put them in the freezer in the refrigerator, and you just put them in the dishwasher, and they get nice and clean. So. They are kind of expensive, but they are good. This is not sponsored. They don't know who I am. I just like these products, so I bought these with my own money, and I will be cutting up this bacon for the soup. Clover, I know it's your dinner time, okay? I'm working on it. So I've finished all my mise en place. Is this like, there we go. It's too much exposure turned up. So everything I need for my mise en place is here. I've got some onion, I've got poblano peppers, spices, lots of garlic. We just went overboard on the garlic. Celery, that's stuff for the compost. And I also have, oh, we have bacon. We have a very hungry Clover is waiting for me to feed him. And we have some wild rice. And I'm gonna put this on the stove, get it started, and then we'll feed the baby. I promise. I know it's past your dinner time. It's only 6:08. You normally eat at 6. You'll be okay. I promise you won't starve. You'll really be fine. I also wanted to update you on our K-cup usage. So we have started using these reusable K-cups, and of course we make coffee and we kind of sip in here to like cool off. But you can, you know, buy coffee and put the coffee inside, because this essentially is what a K-cup is, right? So what happens is we make coffee, we put that stuff there for a while, and then we get the compost bin and we empty the coffee grounds into the bin and put these K-cups in the dishwasher. A little bit of an extra step, but like if we want the convenience of a K-cup machine, we're gonna have to do a little bit more so that we try to reduce our use of single-use plastics. I mean, we do still have some K-cups, like, let's be honest, but we have a growing collection of these reusable K-cups, and I just thought I'd put that out there as well.
I am very excited to install my mic arm, so here we go. Ooh, this is a nice mic arm. You know what? I deserve this. I've been streaming on my channel for like a little over a year. I streamed a lot in 2020 and I streamed a lot in 2021, and like a good streaming equipment. Oh, this is pretty good, spring loaded. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, well, let's install it and see how it looks.
Okay, a little zhuzhing around of everything, and we've got the mic set up here, and it basically comes forward like that, and I can speak into it from my seat. Looks pretty nice. This is a pretty good build quality on this. I really enjoy Elgato products. So this is nice. It has a cover for the cord so the cord doesn't show, so it's pretty nice. And my camera's here, my streaming camera, I should turn that off. But a nice addition to the streaming setup. I'm pretty happy about this. So when I'm sitting here, I can just look at my two monitors. It doesn't cover the monitor, so I can keep, I can do work if I need to do work, but so that is my Elgato mic setup. Can you even see? Oh my gosh, Clover is causing big trouble. What do you need? What do you need? So this happens after dinner. After I feed him, he wants to get another ball. I took a ball out, a blue ball, but that's not good enough. He needs another one because he knows that there's some spare balls in the closet. He's been here for like a half hour, growling and barking to get more balls. And I am a bad parent because I always give in. I always, see, he's got extra toys up here. I always give in, and I'm the worst. Oops. He's the best trainer and I am the worst parent, but he's just so cute, I can't resist. All right, you ready? Wow, good job, Clover. All right, the chili is almost ready. It's simmering away here. Oh, it looks so good. Yes. So we'll be eating that in a little bit. He followed me to the kitchen. He followed me to the kitchen. Ready? Well, I didn't get nearly as much done as I thought I was gonna get done today, and I'm not gonna beat myself up for it too much. I'll just get an early start tomorrow. So I just got a little bit of cord control done over there. We set up the Elgato thing. We did the Christmas tree, but thinking that's not kind of a failure, we dealt with the bean and we made chili, and I edited a video and posted it. So hopefully I can do a little more tomorrow, but I hope you guys are enjoying these Beauty in the Mundane vlogs, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.